One of the goals of Symbols of Hope project is to combat human trafficking in Nigeria in collaboration with the Lutheran World Federation and the Lutheran Church of Christ in Nigeria. True Vision Online Television accompanied the director of Symbols of Hope project, Reverend Emmanuel Gabriel, and some of their staffs to Nasarawa State to see the renewed victims of human trafficking and how the support they receive from Symbols of Hope project has changed their lives and restored hope to them and also their family members.
Symbols of Hope really bring back hope to me, because when I come back, things were not easy. Even my neighbors were laughing at me. Things was not easy. So Symbols of Hope really changed my life with business and the word of encouragement.
They accept us like one family, that they are going to give us psychosocial support, encourage us, counsel us from trauma healing, that we should go into the world again, and we should still try and have our hope. They gave us so many supports. With this token, I'm able to sell charcoal. I also sell in small quantity. I also sell in bags. I want to say a big thank you to Symbols of Hope and to other helping hands that support. I want to say a big thank you.
With Symbols of Hope, they were able to counsel me, and that was what made me to stand here and boastfully today I'm proud of being victim of it. They supported me, they bought me fridge, they bought me these drinks that you're seeing also. They gave the money, we went to the market to buy all this stuff. So it was true symbol of hope.
Victims of human trafficking face lots of difficulties trying to settle back into society after going through inhuman treatment from their captors.
We're sleeping with men, different men, just to meet up and pay our madam's money. So there's one guy that came. I explained it to one police guy that, see, this is what happened. The guy now said that he's going to help me, but I will run in the evening time, because this come and collect house rent in the evening time. When everybody is about to work, I should tell them that I'm going for daybreak. Then he will help me to escape. That is how I escape and come back to Nigeria.
Tortured, beaten, midnight, they take you out for trade. They go and trade you. The story changed. I have to pay 1.5 million naira in Nigerian currency. That the money that they used took me from Nigeria here to that place. I have to pay 1.5 million naira. That was actually took me to Arabu house, change my clothes, change my dress. Took me to Arabu house. I did house help. Sometimes those people, they maltreat me. No food, beating, give you water from the toilet to drink.
The fear of what people must say or think about them makes them isolate from the society. But the Symbols of Hope project brings them closer as a family, encourages them, and gives them the courage to go back to the society.
After when I came back, people were start questioning. The questions were tough. Even my auntie, she said, how far about it? Or I said, no, I'm not going to disclose it to anybody. I never share my story with anyone. I never open up to anyone, but Symbol of Hope is my family, because Daddy loves us so much. He counsels us a lot. He teaches us a lot. He prays with us. He teaches us many things. Symbol of Hope have really helped me to stand on my own, to meet my society, to talk to them. I bet you when I came back, everybody knows that I was a very indoor person. I was seeing myself as a liability, but through Symbol of Hope, it has made me stand strong. It has made me, I can sit anywhere, I can laugh anywhere. I'm courageous now. So Symbols of Hope have really helped me a lot.
Some of these victims are being promised a better life outside the country and are also being convinced by the traffickers not to disclose their travel plans to anyone.
They said, okay, we'll be traveling, the work is not in Nigeria. If only I can just not tell anybody. I said, yes, I'll be able to do that. So without telling my auntie, I packed my stuff one day. When she went to work, I ran out of the house.
No food, beating. Before we know, spend up to like 3 months in Zenden. So one fateful morning like that, they came that we are going that evening. they brought a helos. From that helos, we saw the large empty space of land. That was how they took more than 45 people at the back of helos. They gave us jerrycan. The men, their legs are outside the helos, while the female, they hid us inside the helos. We were going, the water did not sustain us. We were suffocated, no water. A woman who was pregnant among us had to give us her urine to drink.
The physical and mental health effects of human trafficking are serious. It can cause loss of basic human rights, anxiety disorders, drug abuse, and also depression. Anyone can fight this deadly disease that has eaten deep into the society by spreading the dangers of illegal japa to everyone within our reach, and encourage victims to speak up because there is a new hope for them in Symbols of Hope.
My advice to Nigerians, younger ones like me, I want to say, if anybody come to convince you that you should come and have a good life over there, there is nothing there. There is no any greener pasture over there. There is no job there for you. You are going there for something else. If you read there, the whole story will change.
No matter how the situation is, no matter how bad it is, God is in control, and once there's life, there's hope. Even me that went there, I don't know that I'll be alive, but God was so interested in my life.
Nigeria is the best. So no matter how, they should just stay and manage with what they have.
Indeed, hope has been restored to these victims as their faces radiate with pretty smiles, all thanks to Symbols of Hope and the Lutheran World Federation. Back from the Brink is a program that provides a platform for victims of man inhumanity and provides closure to them. Back from the Brink, only in True Vision Online Television, a platform that is committed to democratizing the media space. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.